Hey everyone, it's Rhonda here from Nelson Soapery. Today I thought I would show you exactly how I do my Russian piping. This is just a really quick video on how I do it, and hopefully this can give you some tips and some tricks on how to start with the Russian piping. So first of all, obviously we're going to have all of our mixture in the piping bag. The most important thing is making sure the mixture is quite a thick mixture. If it's thin, it will not work at all. It needs to be really, really thick. And then all we're going to be doing is popping in the piping bag. And today we're going to be using this rose tip, which is a Russian piping tip. They come in all different sizes and all different shapes, from tulips to daisies to roses, star flakes. There's so many, even little bits of grass that you can use as well, or grass tips it looks like. So anyway, we'll start here, and like I said, just make sure the mixture is really thick. If it's not, then just let it sit there and just wait some time, and you will soon see. And you will know definitely if it's ready or not. If it's not ready, it will come out gooey and it won't come out in the shape that you can see on this particular tip. So what we're going to do is we're going to be starting, and like I said, this is the rose one. So all we're going to be doing is you can actually create it straight onto a soap, or you can do it onto some paper. So we're not going to use the paper today. I have a little disc of soap that I'm not needing, so this is just a sample, so I thought we'll go on this one. So you just hold the tip straight up in the air, make sure it's really straight up, and then all you're going to be doing is pushing the soap and then releasing. So literally you're just going to push and then release, and then that's what you do each time. And just try and do it exactly the same, and that way your roses will be the same all around your soap. So if you're doing a soap like this round one, start with the middle, because that way the middle will actually define exactly how your soap is going to be looking. So we just continue to keep going all the way around the soap, remembering to hold it exactly the same. So as you can see here, it looks all beautiful, and you can definitely see the rose. So this is just with a dusty sort of browny purple colour, but if you want different colours, you can actually make the centre different and the outside different by just the way that you pop in the colour into the piping bag. So if you want a centre, so all you can do is just in the centre of the piping bag do one colour, and around the outside you would do a second. So you can also do this with buttercream on a cake, but just remember the consistency is really different with buttercream in comparison to soap. So obviously soap will harden up quite fast, so you do need to be quick at making this. So anyway, I hope this has really been helpful, and we'll see you on the next video. This was just a short one. See you next time.